Color theory is one of the most scoring topic according to me in any design entrance exam, because in this you don't have to use much of your creativity but instead use your knowledge, and this knowledge can be acquired very easily. Now this knowledge is available everywhere. You can find it on Google. You have a lot of YouTube videos that are there will tell you this color makes this color scheme, these colors on the color wheel will make this color scheme, and all the terms related to it they'll tell you in the videos. But the thing is, gaining knowledge is very easy, but retaining knowledge in your mind is very difficult.
With the short time duration you have in the exam to answer each question, there are chances to forget or take more than required time to solve or figure out the answers to color theory related topics. So here we bring you an interesting way to not only understand but also remember the color wheel so that you can instantly score on these questions in the exam without wasting any time. So just sit back, relax and enjoy watching this video.
Hi future designers, I am Palak Khanna and you are watching me on The Design Ladder, a stepway to your dream design college.
Hi. Hi.
Wait,
Hi.
I'm introducing them to you. Meet Rabi and Pog. They are your friends for today's topic.
I am Rabi. I am Pog. I am the eldest. I am the youngest. I have an interesting story for you all future designers. Do you want to listen up?
Only if it helped the students with the color theory.
Oh yeah, definitely. Listen up. I am Rabi. I have a primary team. I had 3 members, red, blue and yellow. But where did they come from? I got them as a gift of God, and they began to play together. When red and yellow touched each other, a miracle happened. Orange came into existence. When blue and yellow touched each other, green appeared. And when red and blue touched each other, purple happened. So soon we were expanding and I could not take care of all these new babies, so I called my friend Pog. Pog came and took all of these 3 in her team. So now Rabi is a primary team and Pog is the secondary team. Years passed and Pog team grew up. Then we thought of having an introduction party between our 2 teams, primary and secondary teams. Each member came to meet the other member of the team, one from primary and one from secondary. As each of the pair met, new members sprung off. But we were too occupied with these 3 members in each team. So we called another friend of ours, a fat friend, double of our size, Tertiary. As he was fat and he could handle double the members we could ever handle, so these 6 new creatures went to Tertiary team.
Oh wow Rabi, that was an awesome story. Now we won't ever forget that the primary members of color wheels are Rabi, RBY, and that's red, blue and yellow. They did not came into existence by mixing of any 2 colors. They were a gift of God. That means they existed on their own. And when 2 of the primary members got mixed with each other, they formed another color that is termed as secondary color. So there are 3 new secondary colors on the team. That's Pog team, that is POG, that's purple, orange and green. So Rabi and Pog, RBY, POG, red, blue, yellow, purple, orange, green. And one of each team when came together and mixed together, that means 1 primary and 1 secondary color come down to mix together. They form a new color that is known as a tertiary color and goes into the tertiary team. And Mr. Tertiary is fat and is double the size of primary and secondary, so it has 6 colors instead of 3 colors as in primary and secondary. So now in the exam, if the question is which color scheme is the primary color scheme, you can quickly go for Rabi, and which color scheme is the secondary color scheme, you can quickly go for Pog or Go. The order can be different, but these initials will help you quickly answer that question without wasting any time. And how many colors are in the tertiary color segment? They are 6. And how many are in primary and secondary? They are 3 each. So this much was easy, right? And hope you'll never forget it. Let's move on. Now let's understand how to place these things on a color wheel. And how can you quickly draw a color wheel in the exam for your reference. So as we know that 3 in primary, 3 in secondary and 6 in tertiary. So that's total 12 colors we need to place on our color wheel. So let's make a circle and divide it into 12 equal compartments. Now let's take a reference of a triangle and place all the 3 primary colors on one corner of each triangle. So we'll place Rabi in a clockwise direction. Now it's the time to place Pog. Let's take a reference of another triangle like this. So we'll place Pog right next to Rabi's R but move into an anti-clockwise direction. So here we have Rabi and Pog, that's primary and secondary colors placed on our color wheel. Now we know that one primary and one secondary makes a tertiary color. So the colors formed after mixing these are red purple, blue green, green yellow, yellow orange and red orange. So here we have our color wheel completely ready. Now take a pen and paper and try to recreate this color wheel with us and tell us how much time did it take. Surely not more than 20 seconds. And this will come very handy while solving any color theory based questions, especially color scheme based questions for which you need to know exactly which color is in the opposite of which colors are on the same side of color wheel. So a quick drawn color wheel will help you solve them quickly and save time in the exam. Now what all color schemes are possible on this color wheel and what are color schemes possible outside this color wheel that are important from exam point of view, we are going to tell you all the tricks to easily remember them and never forget in life in this video that's coming soon, and you will get its link in the description box. And it might be out by the time you're watching this, so check the description box below. And let me know if this video was helpful to you. If you're a design aspirant, consider subscribing to our channel, The Design Ladder, for getting notified about all such important and interesting videos for your preparation. Also join us on Instagram, and if you have any problem, any trouble that's bothering you regarding your career in design, you can DM me on my personal Instagram ID as well, the link to which is also given in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.